So here's the fellows doing some serious Lego building. Here, Luther's going to take us through a little tour of the latest creation. Luther,
And
take
Levi.
it on. And Levi too.
Well, I got the idea because we had a Lego soccer. So and then I remembered we had some basketball things. So I kind of wanted to build some Lego basketball. And so we made some stuff. So Levi, you can show them the boundaries.
Okay, oh, well, these are actually from Lego Soccer, but these are regular
Yeah.
people. So they go like that and then they shoot the ball, but these, they're like super flexible. They're like super flexible so they can,
Like
Demonstrate.
bend back and go like that and actually throw the basketball.
Okay.
and then the boundaries, we
Are-
made some boundaries because they can't actually like go and like grab the ball and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So we made that, this area, This
Thi-
whole area?
This and this.
yeah, so these two areas would go to that guy, to this guy,
Okay.
and these two areas would go to that guy, and he's
Like
going
if the
that
ball
way.
falls in.
So can we see this in action?
Oh yeah, and then these are just,
So let's see a game.
Well, we you also like these guys. They can actually do the arc, so we put that behind there.
Yeah,
So
so-
it's like around like that. And then how we decide which one gets the ball first. I close my eyes, and then if I hit that guy, then the people going, whoops, the people who are trying to score on that hoop get the ball, and if I hit that guy, then the people trying to score on that hoop will get the
Okay.
ball, and then these guys will start out with the ball, and this guy's trying to make it in that hoop just so you don't get mixed up, because these guys can turn. So, well done. Okay. But I have to kind of go like, okay. That guy. Okay. So, this guy is on. So then we can pass to this guy. He gets it, and then Levi would go like that.
Oh, for a little backboard?
Yeah.
Nice.
He would shoot it, but if he didn't make it, then it would go to that guy, because these two boundaries go to that guy. And even if it does go over here, it still goes to that guy.
So if it
Unless
goes out of
goes like
bounds
that,
this
then
way,
it's to
then it's
that
this
guy.
guy's, but if it goes out of bounds this way, then it's that guy's. So
Okay.
So then,
this guy will do it, and then he's gonna shoot his.
So Luther puts the backboard up.
No, put it right. There we go.
Oh,
Nice shot.
then they score.
Seriously.
So then these guys get it.
Okay, cool. That's all I got.